formation by the spherical mirror. So in previous lecture, we read about the reflection of a light and refraction of a light, scattering and dispersion of the light. So basically in reflection, so reflection is the phenomena what reflection of a light from the plane mirror whose one surface is coated or a back surface is coated. And second, we read about what is refraction. So refraction basically phenomena when light going from one medium to another medium, it change its path. Okay, so there are need two medium, one medium for example air and second medium is glass. So what happen when light going from air to glass? So it change its path. So that is known as the refraction of a light. And after that we study about the scattering of a light. So basically scattering of a light what? Light scattered by the small particles which are present in the atmosphere. So whose wavelength is less like blue color, violet color. So these color scatter easily because scattering is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So less the wavelength and more the scattering. And last phenomena we read about what is that phenomena is known as dispersion of a light. So this is phenomena of a dispersion of a light. So this is basically dispersion of a light. When white light pass through the prism, it bend into 7 colors. So this divide into 7 colors like these colors. Okay, so these colors are known by what is Vibjor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So here what is violet wavelength is less. What is wavelength less, and red color that is wavelength more. Okay, so that is why we use danger signal like red and green and yellow color because their scattering of a light is less. So they are seen from the large distance. So in reflection of a light or ray that we study about what is spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors are two types. So what are here we study about the what which topics we here study. So first topic what is here name of a title image formation by spherical mirror. Okay, so in previous lecture we read about what is plane mirror. So plane mirror whose that is planes. So no reflecting, no spherical shape of that glass. So that is known as the plane mirror. And plane mirror form what is that is virtual and erect image. Okay, so in previous lecture we study about the two type of image, virtual and real image. So here what is the topic name image formation by the spherical mirror. So here we study about what is types of spherical mirror. Okay. And next what is rule of image formation and rule of image formation and image form by convex mirror and image formed by concave mirror use of convex and concave mirror. And last one topic, what is mirror formula? So these are the content of our lecture. So these are content types of the spherical mirrors, rule of image formation, image formed by the convex mirror, image formed by the concave mirror, use of a convex and the concave mirror, and mirror of formula. So first of all, we study about types of the spherical mirror. So types of spherical mirror. So there are two types, convex and the concave. So we write here concave mirror, and second, what is convex. So in concave mirror, this is we take a spherical part of the glass. So this spherical part of the glass like this. And these are coated with the paint or a polish. So this coated like and polish surface. So this is known as what is outer surface. Outer surface. So this outer surface known as the bulge surface, and this surface known as what is inward surface. So here inward surface, what is reflecting surface? This surface is known as what is reflecting surface. Okay, so this is a part of a spherical ball. We take example of a plastic ball that is hollow sphere, that empty from inside. So if we cut that ball into two parts, so one part like look this. So this is the part of the what spherical surface. So this inward surface is what is reflecting surface, and this outward surface what is polished surface. So here we take a center point. So center point of this surface is known as pole. So here we take this point. So this is known as P. So this is known as pole. Okay. So this is what is center part of the lens, center part of the mirror. Here we draw, if we draw this into a full sphere, so how we draw this? So we draw this like a sphere. Okay, because this is the part of a sphere. So here this is the center of the sphere. So this center of the sphere is known as the center of the curvature. So this known as center of curvature, and I write this name what is C. Okay, so this is center of curvature and this is what is pole. So we join here pole and C with a line. So that line known as what is? So we connect these line here which pass through the pole. Okay, so this line known as what is? Principal line. So what is this is known as the principal line. So that line passing through the C and P. Okay, so we write here passing through C and P. C and P. Okay, and here this MN. So MN is the aperture of spherical mirror, so in which light pass. So what is here? MN aperture of mirror. Okay, here this distance from P to C. So this distance PC is equal to R. So this known as the what is? Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Okay, so this is known as the radius of curvature, and this is completely different name of the part of the spherical mirror: center of curvature, aperture, pole, principal axis, and one more thing here between the P and C, middle of the P and C, there is what is F. So this F is known as the focus. Okay, so these are the different part of the mirror or different terms of the mirrors we need in image formation, and this is for the what is concave mirror. And second, if we make for the convex mirror, so in convex mirror, outer surface is reflecting and inner surface is polished. So if we make like this, so we make like this, and this surface, inside surface, so this is polish, and this surface what is reflecting. Okay, so we draw here what? A sphere. So that consists a center, that center known as the center of curvature. So if we draw here this and this, so this consists what is C. So C known as the what is? Center of curvature. Okay, so here this is what is pole P. This is center of curvature, and a line pass through pole and center of curvature, that known as the what is? Principal line. Okay, so here this is reflecting surface, and this point known as what is? Focus, and this M and N known as what is? Aperture of the spherical mirror. So these are the important terms so we need in image formations. So next we study about how image formation takes place and what are the rule of image formation. So next slide. So first we make, for example, if we take here example of a convex and concave. So first take here what is concave. Okay, so this is what is reflecting surface. Okay, this is reflecting surface, this is polished surface. Okay, and this is what is polished surface. So this is polished and this is reflected. Okay, and this is what is reflected. Okay, this is what is pole and this is what is pole. Okay, so this line which passing through the poles, that is known as the principal axis. Principal axis. Mn is what is aperture. Okay, this is known as center of curvature. This is known as center of curvature. Okay, so here PC is equal to R, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. So here PC is equal to R. So first rule, when incident ray come in the direction of the reflecting surface, what happened after reflection? It passed through the focus. So here this is PC, so here this is focus. So we take a ray of light. For example, this is a ray of light. Okay, so this is first rule. So when ray of a light comes, so here reflection takes place and it passes through the focus. So this is one ray. So this is what is parallel ray. So this parallel to the what? Principal axis. So this is parallel to the principal axis. And in case of the second, so here a ray of comes like this. Okay, and here what is this is F, focus. So it reflected in the direction of a focus like this. So this is normal. So if you join this in the form of a dot, so this line pass through the focus. So this is first rule. When ray of a light come parallel to the incident ray, then it pass through the focus. And in second, when ray of a light come in direction of a C, so it pass what? Straight. Like for example, a ray of a light comes direction of a C. So this is second rule. So it pass to the straight. So it pass here. Okay, so we mark by this different color. So this comes here like. Okay, so it reflected in the same direction. If here comes, for example, it comes in the direction of like this. So it reflected in back direction like this. Okay, so this is second rule. When ray of a light comes in the direction of a C, it passed to the C. And third one rule, when a ray of incident come in the direction of P, so it reflected with the same angle. So this is angle of incidence I and this is angle of a incidence R. Angle of a reflection R. So here angle of a incidence and angle of a reflection I is equal to R. Okay, so same things here. So when it come this point pole, so this is a angle I. So they are reflected with the same angle. This is R. So here angle I is equal to angle R. So here what? So these are both cases are same because here angle incidence and reflection equal. So there are three rules. So first, when incident ray come in direction of a spherical mirror and come to parallel to the principal axis, then it pass through the focus. Second, when it comes in the direction of a C, then it reflected in the same sides with the angle of a 180 degree, and third, when it comes at the pole or strike at the pole, so it reflected with the angle r, and here angle and r are same. So these are the basic rule of a image formation by the convex and concave mirror. Okay, thank you.